PathoClean Hard Surface Cleaner. Don't let the clear, odorless liquid fool you. PathoClean contains powerful cleaning ingredients that go to work quickly, leaving no residues or streaks. Surfaces stay cleaner and brighter longer. Use PathoClean anywhere you'd use a hard surface cleaner. Fill spray bottles, mop buckets, auto scrubbers, and carpet extractors directly from the storage tanks. PathoClean is always ready to use, with no mixing or dilution required. The PathoSans system senses when more solution needs to be made and automatically refills the tanks, so you always have a fresh supply. With repeated use, PathoClean removes built-up layers of residue on a variety of surfaces, including grout, usually within about 30 days. To clean and shine windows, mirrors, stainless steel, and chrome, lightly mist a microfiber cloth and wipe dry. For most other hard surfaces like tables, countertops, sinks, tubs, and shower stalls, spray directly on the surface and wipe dry. There's no need to rinse. PathoClean can also be used to clean and control odors in sinks and floor drains. PathoClean is safe for wool or nylon carpeting. It's also perfect for cleaning tile, vinyl, stone, wood, marble, and concrete floors. When using on upholstery, pre-spray the visibly soiled areas first, and then clean as you normally would. Remember to change the solution when it's visibly dirty. You can discard the used PathoClean liquid safely down the drain. PathoClean stays fully potent for 120 days when stored in a spray bottle, storage tank, or other closed container. But you should test the solution periodically to ensure that it's working at peak effectiveness. PathoClean is the smartest, greenest, most cost-effective choice you can make. Safer cleaning with solutions made for you on site.